Stockvu was founded on the principle of increasing financial literacy in Black communities, specifically to help individuals make better financial decisions. Of the entire wealth in the United States, only about 1% of that wealth comes from Black folks, and they are not represented well in terms of the financial advisory or financial planning space. And what Stockvu is doing is we're trying to bridge that gap by one, connecting you to financial tools, and then two, connecting you with those professionals that can help you make better financial decisions. So I'm going to take you over to our app and I'll show you some of the products that we have in-house. Alrighty, so I pulled up the Stockvu website. If you're not familiar on how to get over here, it's www.stockvu.co. I'll immediately take you over to our membership page. So we have 3 different memberships. We have a free membership and we have 2 paid memberships. The first paid membership is for personal use. So if you want to look at the 3 products that we have a digital planner, we have a bookkeeping app, and we also have a credit card directory as well too. For the business plan, we have the same exact products, except we provide monthly consultations. So those consultations, they last 30 minutes a piece. So hopping into the actual dashboard, I'll show you the products. So we have the business plan. If you want to connect with us, you can book that per month. And then for the personal plan, we'll show you the tools. So we have our digital planners. And the first digital planner that I'll pull up is the 2025 one, which is timely. It's been pretty popular as folks want to plan out their 2025. It's about 560 pages. We have the home page. We have an index to just give you an idea of everything that's within this digital planner. We have, the month, a monthly budget, monthly savings, monthly review, the travel planner, which happens to be my favorite. Notes, it goes so forth and so forth. As you saw in there, we have weekly planners as well too. So I just want to show you a quick example. We have daily planners too. Coming back to the resources page, we also have travel resources. So as mentioned before, we have a credit card directory, which allows you to see the most popular credit cards, and we basically help you analyze if they are for you or not, right? With said, those credit cards, they have specific perks, and we kind of highlight that through the partners. So we show you if you did want to, for instance, use an American Express credit card, all of the airline travel partners that they have and all the hotel partners. And we also provide you help on how to transfer those points over. That can be leveraged in the business planning tool. So coming back over here, we have the credit card directory. As mentioned before, we have a list of all the popular credit cards just to highlight the American Platinum business one. Basically, we provide all of the benefits for you that are listed out from the credit card. We put an estimated value on each one of those perks, and then we walk you through if you want to put in your value as well too. So for instance, if you find that this is valued at that and this is valued at that, you come down here and see that the total is 900. So this 900 exceeds the annual value. So we would say, yeah, you should go ahead and get this credit card. For further detail on that, our credit card listing page is pretty popular because you're able to see what folks are applying to, what are the most popular that folks are using. And essentially, those cards, they may be great for someone else, but they may not be great for you. So essentially, what we are doing here is we're showing you all of the perks that are within the credit card itself. So for instance, if you're looking at the Delta Platinum business, right, it shows you all of these different things that are associated with the credit card. What you get. If you're not using rideshare, or if you're not using Resi, this credit card may not be able to provide the value that you're looking for. However, if it does check that box for you, we put the apply now button here for you to immediately take you over to the credit card, so you're able to understand or learn a little bit more from the website. And then if you did want to take a look at it and you found that it was super helpful for you, you could apply. So we want to kind of ease that process for you. And the last thing we have is our bookkeeping app. The Bookkeeping app essentially allows you to visualize where your money is coming in and where it's going out. So we create personalized dashboards for you. So for instance, if you're looking at just bills, discretionary pet, we can really break it down for whatever your expenses are. If you want to add in groceries or you want to add in, doctor visits, whatever you really want, we could put it in there. We allow you to track your income and expenses and then your net worth as well too. If you wanted to categorize your spending, we can do that for you. We already have that pre-built. If you needed to customize it, you can add the business plan in there and we can consult you on how to do that, or we can do it for you. Your budget, we will also put that in there for you, pre-built. And then the transaction. So if you want to add to this, you can. Let's just say I went to ShopRite. Oh. And I don't need to add a note. But I want to add groceries. Do that. Save that. Oh. This was $46.92. So now that grocery transaction is in there. And if I needed to duplicate it or copy it or edit it, you can do that as well too. It will come over to this grocery list and you will be able to dig a little bit deeper into there. And then the last piece is the glossary. So we already have pre-built definitions for you to explore. If there's any definitions that you would like us to include, feel free to give us an email. My email is robert.lewis@stockvu.co. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to send over an email.